Hi friends, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can add location in Weather app. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, write your comments, put your likes, and let us get started with you. First of all, open the Weather app on your iPhone. Then you'll need to click on these three bars at the bottom. And then in the search bar, you'll need to type in the city, the weather you'd like to see. For example, will choose Istanbul in Turkey. So we can immediately see the weather, view it. And if you would like to keep this geolocation, this city, to continue to see the weather in this city, then at the top click Save or Add. So you can see that I've added a city. One more. For example, you can now switch between cities. So if I click on Istanbul, it will show me. If I go again to these three bars, I can switch to my hometown, for example. Friends, this is the simple way you can add location in the Weather app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes and write comments. See you soon.